Hi, welcome to another episode of Mr. Max. In this lesson, we are going to revise from September 2019 KwaZulu Natal province question paper. Okay, September 2019 KwaZulu Natal probability section. That is question number 12 and 13 question. Question number 12 and 13. So, like what I always say. Before you watch this lesson, please make sure that you download the question paper from our app, or you can go to KwaZulu Natal website, education department website, and download the question paper from there. Okay, and read the question, listen very carefully. At the same time, you have to write also. Okay, take a paper and pen and write. If there is any calculation, use your calculator to calculate. Okay, it's very important for your practice. Okay. Anyway, without wasting time, let's start. What is the first question? Question number 12. A bag contained 12 blue balls, 10 red balls, and 18 green balls. So there is a bag. There is a bag. In that bag, there are 10 blue balls. So, 12 blue balls. So blue balls, 12. Okay. Then 10 red balls. So red ball, how many? 10. There are 10 red balls. Then green balls 18. There are 18 green balls. So total how many balls? It means that there are total 40 balls are there. Okay. Blue balls 12, red balls 10, green balls 18. Total 40 balls are there. Okay. Now look at the second sentence. 2 balls are chosen at random. So from this bag, how many balls are going to take? 2 balls. Okay, not one, it's 2 balls. Okay, at a random without replacement. So it means that after we take the first one, we put it in our pocket. We are not going to put it back without replacement. Okay. Now, based on that condition, you have to find the answers of the next two questions. Okay, determine the probability. First question, determine the probability if the 2 balls chosen at random are green. Okay, so listen very carefully. Before we go to that first question, when you have a question like this, especially this type of questions, okay, it is better to draw a Venn diagram based on the given information. Okay, so here how many balls are there? Blue, red, green. Okay, so let me draw a Venn diagram here. There are 3 balls. One is blue, green, and this is green, and this one is red. Okay, let me write it in that order itself. Okay, this is red. Okay, so how many times the ball is going to take? 2 times. Okay, so here also second time blue, red, green. Here also blue, red, green. Then the second green also, blue, red, green. Okay, now what is the probability of getting a blue ball here? How many blue balls are there? Total how many balls? 40. Okay, so I'm not going to simplify here. Now we can simplify it together last. So how many blue balls are there? Total how many balls? 40. So what is the probability to get a blue ball? 12 divided by 40. What is the probability to get a red ball? How many red balls are there? 10. Total 40. That means this one is 10 over 40. Green balls 18. Total 40. So this one is 18 over 40. Now look at that first second sentence. 2 balls are chosen at random without replacement. That is very important. Without replacement. Okay, so assume that the first one is blue. So what is the probability to get another blue? So I took one blue from here. So how many blues are remaining here? Not to 12. I took one and put it in my I took one blue ball and put it in my pocket. That means here remaining how many blue balls are there? Only 11 balls. Total how many? It's not 40, it's 39. Okay, so it means that if the first ball is blue, then again to get a blue ball is only 11 balls remaining there, because the first one was blue. Okay, total how many? 39. Okay, then first one is blue. First one was blue, so it means that to get this red ball for the second time, all the red balls are still there, all the 10 red balls are still there, because the first one was blue. You understand? So to get a red ball, this one is 10 divided by 39, because first one blue ball we took it and put it in our pocket. That means total is only 39. Okay, but what is how many red balls are there second time? All the 10 red balls are there, because the first time we took blue. Only blue balls 12 becomes 11, otherwise it's the same. Okay, red balls number same, green balls number same. So what is the probability to get a green ball? How many green balls are there? 18. All that 18 green balls are still there, because the first time we took a blue. That means 18, but the total, because of this one blue ball, total reduced to 1. That means that total is 39. Okay. Same applies here. First one is red. So how many blue balls are there still? That 12 blue balls are still there, because the first one we took as red. Okay, that means here it is 12, total 39. Okay, here you have to be careful. First one is red, so now how many red balls are there? Not 10, because here we took 1. That means 9. Remaining is 9, total is 39. Okay, so here it is 9 over 39. Green, all the green balls are there, because first one was red, so it is 18 over 39. Then first one is green, blue ball, all the blue balls are there, because the first one is green. Only this one is going to be 17. You understand? So this, to get a blue ball, is 12 over 39. To get a red ball, first one was green, so it means that all the 10 red balls are still there. There is no change in that one. Only the green one is going to be 17. Okay, so how many red balls are still there? That 10 divided by 39. First one was green. Here you have to be careful. To get a second green, first one was green, so from this 18 it becomes 17. Okay, then the total is 39. So it means that here there is a change, it is 17 over 39. Okay, so that is the tree diagram that we draw. Then now it is easy for us to find what is the first question. 12.1. Question number 12.1. What is the question? If the two balls, you have to find the probability. Okay, if the two balls, find the probability of, if the two balls chosen at random are green, both the balls are green, what is the probability? That means you have to find the probability of green. So what is the probability of the first green? 18 over 40. Second green, 17 over 39. So what is the total probability? 18 over 40 times 17 over 39. So check in your calculator, what is answer for that one? 0.1962. Okay, so it is 0.1962. It's up to you, either you can write it in decimal or a percentage. 19.62 percentage, you have to write it like that also. Okay, so that is question number 12.1. Now next question, 12.2. What is that question? Find the probability of, if the two balls chosen at random are blue and red. So if the two balls chosen at the random are blue and red, so they want only blue and red. You know that there are two balls you are going to pick. Okay, so they want blue and red. So here you have to think one thing. It is not only this blue and red, not this, only this one. So what about if I take it red and blue? There also I am getting two colors, blue and red. Am I right? First I took red, then I took blue. So how many colors with me now? One blue, one red. Okay, same applies blue and red. There also I am getting two colors. Okay, they just want blue and red. Its order is not important there. Look at that one. Are they saying anything about the order? If two balls chosen at random are blue and red, that's all. Okay, so it means that in that question you have to consider both the case. That means probability of blue red plus probability of red blue. In both the cases you are getting one blue and one red, so you have to consider both the cases. Okay, what is the probability to get a blue red? That is 12 over 40 times red 10 over 39 plus red blue that is 10 over 40 times red blue, so it is 12 over 39. Now check in your calculator and try to find the answer of that one. So in your calculator you will get 0.1538. Either you can write it in decimal or percentage. How can you write? 15.38 percentage. Okay, so that is question number 12. Now let's go to question number 13. Okay, question number 13. Question number 13. What is question number 13? The digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 9 are used to form 3-digit code. So the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are used to form a 3-digit code. So these 9 digits are used to form a 3-digit code. Okay, now determine the number of different codes that can be formed. You have to find the number of different, that means just not a probability, just a number. Okay, so 13.1. what is the first question? 13.1. If the repetition is allowed, how many possibilities are there? So 1, 2, 3. Okay, if the repetition is allowed means if once, for example, for this position if I use it 2, okay, here also I can use it 2, here also again I can use it 2. Repetition is allowed. Okay, so for this position to be filled, how many options I have? 9 options. Am I right? So it is 9 times. Repetition is allowed, so it means that for this position there also I have 9 options. For example, I used this 5 here, doesn't mean that I can't use 5 here again. No, here also I can use that 5. Okay, so it means that if the repetition is allowed means that if here it is 9, here also it is 9 option. Okay, for the third position also it is 9. So check in your calculator. 9 times 9 times 9, that is 729. That means if the repetition is allowed, there are 729 different options. Okay, 13.2. what is that question? Such that you have to find the number such that, okay, here also 3, such that the code is greater than 500 and repetition is not allowed. Okay, let me erase the first question, 13.1. after that we can do 13.2. okay, so what is the condition here in 13.2? such that the code is greater than 500. The code is greater than 500 means what? Greater than 500 means that 500 is not allowed above 500. That means from 500, 501, 502, all of that one are greater than 500. Okay, so it means that code is greater than 500 means that the first number must be either 5 or 6. 600, 601, that is also greater than 500. Okay, 700, 701, 702, that is greater than. Okay, 8, 800, 801, 802, 9, this 9, 900, 901, 902, that is also greater than 500. Okay, so if the number is if the code is greater than 500 means that the first number you have to take either 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9. Okay, so how many options we have? 5 different options for the first place, because the number must be greater than 500. Greater than 500 means that either you have to take 5 or first number. I'm talking about the first number. Here there is no problem. Okay, so first number either you have to take 5 or 6 or 7 or 8 or 9. So how many different options there? We have 5 different options. Okay, and also one more thing, repetition is not allowed. So from these 9 numbers you took assume that you took one number here. So how many numbers left here? Repetition is not allowed. So it means that only 8 numbers. From that 9 numbers we took one number here. Okay, any one number. Okay, from 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so here how many options now I have? From this 9 I took 1. So remaining is 8 option. Okay, then from this 9 now I took 2 numbers. So remaining how many options? Only 7 option. So that is answer 5 times 8 times 7. So check in your calculator. 40 times 280. So it means that I have 280 options. Okay, let's go to the next question, 13.3. What is question number 13.3? Question number 3, there also you have to find the number. 13.3, what is that question? Such that the middle digit is 5 and repetition is allowed. So we have to make a 3-digit code, and here in this question they are saying that the middle digit is 5. So it means that this is the middle digit. That digit must be 5. That means we don't have any other option. We must have to put that 5 there. Only one option, that is that 5. You understand? Okay, and also one more thing, repetition is allowed. So it means that here there is no problem. We can use any one number from that 9 numbers. Repetition is allowed. Doesn't matter which one we used here. Okay, so here we have 9 options. Repetition is allowed. That means here also we have 9 options. So total how many? 81 different options. So it means that here only one condition, the middle number must be 5. Middle number must be 5 means that we don't have any option. We have to put that 5 there. That means only one option we have, that is that 5. Okay, repetition is allowed means that for this position to be filled, I can use any one number from that 9 numbers on top. Okay, repetition is allowed. So here also any one number from that 9 numbers. So here how many options? 9 option. Here how many option? 9 option. But the middle one must be 5. That means only one option, that is 5. Okay, so total how many option like that? 81 different option. Okay, so guys, that's the end of September 2019 KwaZulu Natal. So I hope you understand. Keep on watching, practice. Okay, see you on next lesson. Thank you.